Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? So tonight I'm about to show you how I take off my makeup, my nighttime routine basically, okay? So here we go.
Because you're watching Stoned TV.
Alright, so the first thing I do is I'm gonna obviously just get all this built up gloss grease, I call it, because I look greasy, but I look glossy. But I know it's like sweat and stuff, you know, it's built up. So the first thing I always use, and you guys always seen this, is this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I use this in the morning time and then also the nighttime. I literally use this day and night, and this keeps my skin beautiful and fresh and alive and stuff. First, I get up to like right here, because people break out right there and they go and out like right here, you know, and I get right in that one. You gotta roll up the sleeve. After I do this, I go back over one more time with like the hot towel. I make sure this is hot, not scorching hot, but hot, so it's like heat in my face, you know, and I just put it up there. You guys ever seen The Lovely Bones? I put it up there like the serial killer. He just killed the chick or whatever. And this is literally what I do, guys. And that's when I take the time to be mindful of my day. Think about everything that I've done before I get in the shower and wash off all the negative stuff. I sit here, get all my makeup and stuff like that off, and I think about everything that's amazing that happened to me in that day, well today. And then I get in the shower. So this is literally the last part of it. That's how I get in the shower. Okay, so after I'm done with my shower, the last thing is to make sure that my skin stays refreshed and nice and smooth while I'm detoxing at nighttime, because when you're asleep, you detox. If you guys don't know that, you detox. That's when your body really has the most time to heal itself. If you're running and you pull the muscle, if you were doing a lot of stuff and your skin started like, if you're on your period and you've been having trouble with your cramps and stuff, your body, the best time is at nighttime when you sleep, because you're not doing anything. You're literally letting your body do the work. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put everything on my face so my body can just do the work while I'm sleeping. And the first thing I do is I go to my toner. And this is the most natural toner you will ever use. I shit you not. You probably have this in your pantry everywhere, at your friend's house, at your mama's house, your grandma, you know what I'm saying? Corner stores if you live downtown, it's everywhere. And that is apple cider vinegar. Yes, this is a big bottle right here. What I do for my toner is, and I'll make this fresh every time because I don't really need a lot. The vinegar and water, and that's it. And it does like the best thing. If you just get a lot of dandruff, wash your hair out every twice a week with apple cider vinegar, and you'll definitely see a decrease of dandruff. I can't explain it, but I'll put like the details on the side. So basically I have it in a cup like this, and I just dip that motherfucker in there. Ooh. Lie, it stinks because it's apple cider vinegar. It stinks, you know. Like, but then I just like place it up here. The vinegars are 100% organic. Sometimes you will find the versions that are not fully organic, but you know, it works, you know. But I'm going to put a link in the description box of Thrive Market, because that's where I usually buy a lot of my products from. Do this. You want to air yourself out. Next thing I do is I always use some type of anti-wrinkle serum. Usually I have a vitamin E oil I put up there. I never put olive oil on my face because it breaks me the fuck out. I never put coconut oil on my face. I put it on my body, but not on my face. It breaks me the fuck out. It's an anti-aging, collagen, anti-wrinkle serum. It smooths and tightens skin 3 times strength. And yeah, it has collagen. Collagen is really good for your skin. And it's anti-wrinkle too. It's collagen. So for if you put a lot on your face, put it around your ears, your neck. Think about every old person you've seen, okay? And think about all the wrinkles you've looked at. Where do you not want to see wrinkles? Put the fucking shit up there, you know? It starts in your 20s. Usually, right here I put some type of oil, but I don't have my oils on me right now, which is kind of sad. I was looking at it. I was like literally looking at it in my drawer, but I didn't get it out. So I'm about to show you this quick nose peel. It's a natural nose peel too. It's all natural. Again, this is stuff. I'm showing you these little remedies that you have in the refrigerator right now. Or you can get it from the corner store. Starts off with a fucking egg. Pulls all your blackheads, your whiteheads, everything. I contour my nose a lot. So that's where some of my whiteheads and blackheads turn up if I do have it. But I wash my face so often I really don't ever show it, but I do have it sometimes. So what you do is you start with this egg right here. And you crack it like this. And what you want is the egg. Take this. You have a piece of, literally one piece of toilet paper, right? You take this egg white with your fingers. You don't even need no brush. I mean, if you want to get fancy with it, get a brush. But you put this on top of your nose. Where you think you have the egg whites? I said egg whites. Where you think you have the whiteheads? What? Like this. Always get, if you're about to do this, get like right here, because people don't realize you get more of the whiteheads and all the other stuff in right here. Okay. Show your fingers on. And then it's gonna look so funny, but you're by yourself, okay? This is your pamper time, so do it, okay? See what you want to do is you want to just pick this right here and do this. And make sure again you form it right here by your nose. Make sure you get all that covered with the egg white. And this is the cool part right here, okay? So you take this so you can breathe, you know? I don't know if you can see this. So you can breathe. You just rip it off. And there it is. I didn't put enough egg whites right here. Ooh, he got like a 4-ply or something. 4-ply. And that's all it is right here. And you literally wait till it hardens.
20 minutes later.
Then probably like 15, 20 minutes for honestly the dish to fully dry. It's supposed to look like this. See it? Like it's dry. Let's try. And then what you want to do, just want to take it. You just want to always go up. And just I don't know if the camera can pick this up or not. But just like that. And now it's like really, really smooth and yummy, and it's picked up a lot of shit, yeah. Let me show you. Can you see that yellowish stuff right there? Stuff right there. That right there is like, that right there is all of the extra, I don't even know how to put it, like all the extra oils and stuff. It's kind of nasty, honestly. Let's see, the last thing I really do, I make sure I always do this, it's Shea Moisture. And this right here is Dragon Blood Coffee Cherry Rebound and Revive Body Lotion Spray. This is amazing. Okay, first off, this is Shea Moisture. If I could find a Shea Moisture, I'll get it. And the best thing about Shea Moisture has literally one of the best brands because it has like from all the oils you could think of, argan oil, tea tree oil, they got they got castor oil, they have black castor oil, and all the oils are 100% oil. You don't have to worry about anything. They have Dragon's Blood. I got this from my Love Bug right here. This is Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Styling Cream. They just got everything a third. Like, if you haven't tried this brand, try Shea Moisture. Sometime in the future, I'm manifesting this right now, but I'm going to be really, really working with them, like extremely working with them, to the point that they're going to see me PR packages or whatever. But yeah, Shea Moisture is just the bee's knees. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for taking the time to sit down with me. I'm going to end it off like a good note like usual. Always remember that you are grateful for everything you have. Be grateful that you have a bathroom. Be grateful that you have lights. Be grateful you have data on your phone so you can watch videos like me. And yeah, just be grateful that you're about to fall asleep and wake back up, because a lot of people don't do that in their life. So good night, guys, and remember to do your affirmations, and remember to just, you know, just say I love you to every person you possibly can before you go to sleep, because just again, you just never know. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the button down below and subscribe. And then if you want notifications for my upcoming videos, interviews, beauty, makeup, fashion, all the other sorts, go ahead, click the bell on the side. And yeah, guys, thank you so much.